Hi, my name is Crystal Blaker with Rough House Dog Training in Tucson, Arizona, and here is a short video on some frequently asked questions. Today we are going to discuss how to teach your dog to take treats gently from your hand. Super common question that we get. Obviously not comfortable if you have a puppy because they have those really sharp dagger teeth. Beaumont here is just over a year old, but he gets really excited with food and likes to bite at your hand when getting the treat. So I'll show you how you can teach your dog to take the food gently from your hand. So you'll have a treat in your hand. I always present my hand with a closed fist to the dog. If I feel teeth, I just pull my hand away. Yes. When I feel his lips or his tongue, I mark it with a yes and then give him the treat. Yes. Okay. So you're seeing about every time I present it on the first one, okay. I have to pull my hand away, yes. And if he's gentle about it, then yes, if he gets the reward, okay. So I'm just getting him up just to get him a little bit excited. Sit. Yes, good boy. So obviously with any type of training, it just takes patience and consistency. As long as you follow through with doing this, yes. Good. You should start to see improvement of them taking the treats softer and softer from your hand. So again, anytime I feel teeth, I just pull my hand away. Yes. Good boy. Down. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Come on, sit. Yes. Boy. Okay. Good job, bud. Alright, so when you have one treat in your hand, again, I do closed fist, and then when the dog is taking the treat from me gently, I just open up my hand, and then they can dig their face in there. So I'll show you with Beaumont. Yes. And then I just open up my hand so he sticks his nose in my palm, and then it's also harder for him, yes, good, to then bite me with his teeth. Yes, good boy. Good. Yes, good. So lastly, closed palm is nice, and then I just open it up and he sticks his nose in there. Good job, bud.